Eto, makinig. Present on admission. Here is a question that could make or break your DRG payment in the future. Ito po was the condition present on admission? Kung hindi mo kayang sagutin agad yan, delikado ang claims mo. Sa all case rate, walang pakialam si PhilHealth kung kailan po lumabas yung sakit. Basta may diagnosis sa chart, bayad. Kapag nasa CF4, okay na. Kaya kahit complication na nangyari sa hospital, sinulat lang na parang kasama sa admission, walang problema. Walang konsepto ng present on admission. Sa DRG po, sa ibang bansa, importante ang POA or present on admission. Sa DRG, malaking issue ho yan. Kapag hindi malinaw kung present on admission or hospital acquired, the system might classify it as a complication of care. Again kapag hindi malinaw kung present on admission or hospital acquired, the system may classify it as a complication of care and then automatic yan, red flag. At sa audit, pwedeng sabihin hospital error. So, hindi ho kayo babayaran. So, imagine losing thousands of pesos dahil lang walang label na present on admission. Opo, sa chart sinusulat yan. Kaya ngayon, kailangan nating magbago. So, simulan ho sa admission pa lang. Itag lahat ng diagnosis kung present na ba o nangyari sa hospital. It's a simple habit, pero game changer sa DRG world. Kasi po, ang present on admission documentation ang unang depensa mo laban sa audit or sa denial. Remember this. Doc, kung hindi mo nilinaw kung kailan nagsimula ang sakit, baka pati yung PF mo, tatamaan. This is Coach Doc Ben. See you soon.